showed you this just moments ago between Martin Davalos and Kyle Partridge, not happy with the way their heat race finished. Well, neither were the Supercross officials. Both Kyle Partridge and Martin Davalos disqualified from the rest of the night's competition here in Seattle.
Storby knows it.
Yeah, he's looking at a place to pin him. Look at this.
Yeah, I just hate to see that. That first pass he pulled on me, I let that one go. But then when he started really slowing up and looking back, that's not right, and he's pretty much dead. I won't beat him up here, but I see him at the practice track, I'll get him there.
Ricky, what the heck happened out there?
You have to ask number 259.
What took place there?
You have to ask him that. You know, it's just a shame. I fell and then caught right up to him. I think I was like 18 seconds back, and followed him for about 3 laps and made a nice clean move on him. And then, I don't know, I guess he thought he was going to jump on me and him not crash and me crash. And, you know, that's just dangerous. So I guess I just have to give him a little more room next time. It's just a bummer, you know. Now that's not a clean way to race.
I think if James sees this, he'll say, man, I should not have done that. But when you're in the heat of the moment, David, I mean, no way. I mean, he got the worst end of that deal for sure.
The race results are going to stand.
What are you talking about?
He did get knocked off. Kevin went around that section, came back in front of Grant. The next corner he sold up, Wade Grant back by.
That is such bullshit.
Obviously, you got to do anything that you can to try to win a championship. I mean, there's so much riding those championships, so I completely understand it. You know, I mean, you got to break out the book and you got to shake at the AMA by the rule book. Obviously, by the rule book, I did everything right. But I mean, I understand what they're doing.
Make a clean pass. How many times are you going to do that before we get you back?
This is a mess, and it's the 48 of Trey Kennard. Trey Kennard tangled up with that's with the lapped rider. Oh my goodness. Kennard limping just a tad bit.
Yeah. What we think happened, we only caught the tail end, is I think they had different rhythm, and I think Brooks still, Boston said, hey, you're number one, brother.
We're going to have to blur that. And then still screaming, wait a minute, Brooks still coming back at him.
Oh, they're both guys that I think would get pretty feisty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Brooks Still's a tough guy. He's a privateer that travels the country, and he doesn't take any rubbish.
Sits down on a tut block. Pulls the goggles off.
That's your points leader right now. Looks like he's all right.
Looking at Matt Bonney, not happy with the rider on the number 50. but he was angry with Matt Bonney still. Remember, they got together in the heat race, and they discussed it further up in the tunnel.
Yeah, I don't know what that was all about. You know, I know in that heat race something happened to Bonnie's bike.
We just saw your head shaking a little bit there. Are you and Tyler Bowers still all right?
If I could cuss right now, I would. No, I'm pretty pissed off. That was kind of bullcrap. But hey, I still blew his doors off when I came through the pack, so payback's a B word, Bowers.